Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramelized onions. Start by thinly slicing onions and heating a wide skillet over medium-low heat with oil or butter. Stir frequently at first, then less as they soften. Add a pinch of salt to draw out moisture and enhance sweetness. Maintain a gentle sizzle and scrape fond from the pan to prevent burning. Expect slow color change and deliciously sweet results. To achieve that silky, jam-like texture, patience matters more than fancy tools. Use a heavy pan to distribute heat evenly and spread onions in a single layer so they contact the surface. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and to promote even caramelization. If they cling, add a few teaspoons of water to loosen the fond. Finish with a touch of balsamic or sugar if you want a richer glaze and balanced sweetness. Caramelized onions are a simple upgrade that transforms many dishes with deep, savory sweetness. Let them cool before storing in airtight containers to preserve flavor and texture. Reheat gently to avoid drying them out. A splash of water or butter helps revive creaminess. Use them generously on pizzas, in grilled cheese, mixed into mashed potatoes, or stirred into sauces for immediate depth and umami without extra cooking effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.